award for this year. Those are for previous years. Let me see.
Dr. Lane's getting ready to open her new award. So excited.
You are the first one.
Hey, I'm privileged. Thank you.
Let me see. Praise you. She's the first patient today, so I asked her to use the video for me. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Glad to.
Wow. Right, very well. I think they are afraid it's broken. Yeah.
It's like a Christmas present, I'm wrapping.
Okay.
Alrighty, here comes the package.
You can zoom in if you
Let's see.
Ta-da!
Oh, very nice. Let me get it closer up. All right. Yay. You're going to need a larger table before too long. All right. 2025. Awesome.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 22. Oh, 2020. There's a. And also have 20. I will cover 2016, 17. I think this. So right now this is a Business Hall of Fame.
Wow.
5 years.
Amazing.
And
Congratulations.
the price is more than. Okay, so this is six consecutive years.
Wow. That's amazing.
Can you see it?
Yeah. That's as much as I can get.
Okay, good. Thank you.